Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from VIVO Y95 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Vivo and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Vivo, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. Then you need to hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it? In here some tip pop up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!